AVGO stock analysis and AVGO stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything with Broadcom stock, especially now with $247 with 4.7% correction. Bro, all I'm looking to do is just double down buy. Like, I don't know about you, but even if I come out here when it was 153 bucks, definitely look to take it up. And I actually cut it out to like 250-ish, and it was made 2 months ago. 1st of April is when the video was uploaded, and then slowly kind of ramped back up. That was a beautiful call out, you know. It's not waiting anymore. That's a plus 5R trade. And with all that to say, on the lower time frame, a little bit of a small time frame, I'm still looking for the exact same thing. So yes, I'll continue to keep you updated. Yes, I do have previous receipts here with AVGO in the Discord. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Other than that, like me randomly forcing here trades, what's not going to happen is me forcing trades first and foremost. So we'll keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.